Hello students, here is the question. Find out the surface charge density at the intersection of points x equal to 3 meter plane and x-axis in the region of the uniform line charge of 8 nanocoulomb per meter lying along the z-axis in free space. So we need to find the surface charge density. This is the plane over here and x-axis is the region of the uniform line charge of 8 nanocoulomb per meter lying along the z-axis in free space. So let us look. We know that the electric field due to the wire is given by 2k lambda by r, and electric field with the surface charge density is sigma by epsilon naught. Correct? Now we need these two values to be equal because the wire is passing through the plane at a right angle. So 2k lambda by r is sigma by epsilon naught. And once we have that, we will substitute the value of k, which is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, into lambda by r into 2 is sigma by epsilon naught. So sigma becomes 8 into 10 power minus 9 upon 2 into 3.143. So sigma's values become 0.424 nanocoulomb per meter square. Thank you.